Once upon a time, in a lively village nestled at the foot of lush, green hills, there lived a benevolent giant who greeted everyone with warmth and kindness. The villagers even hung a banner praising Friendly Giant. Cheerful village ambience fills the air, punctuated by the sweet melody of birds. In the heart of the giant's dwelling, an air of adventure permeates as he unveils a time-worn, ancient map. The rustling of paper echoes through the room, accompanied by the giant's anxious breath. Suddenly, he realized in panic, "Oh my God! My treasure map is missing!" Despite this, the giant began his treasure hunt, venturing into the heart of a lush, magical forest. And so, the friendly giant began his quest. The vibrant forest comes alive with the sound of footsteps as the treasure hunt commences. The giant strolls beside the river as sunlight streams through the leafy canopy overhead. Woodland creatures scamper nearby, their playful energy echoing through the trees. The giant through the forest. "Has anyone seen a lost treasure?" A squirrel perks up, responding with excitement. "Maybe. Follow us." Forest creatures guided the giant to a hidden cave behind a waterfall. The creatures led him to a hidden cave. Deep inside the cave, the giant and the creatures discover a chest overflowing with sparkling gems and intriguing trinkets. The echo of the chest creaking open reverberated through the cave. They gasp at the glittering contents. The giant peers into the chest and exclaims, "My treasure!" But this isn't what I anticipated. The giant returned to the village, triumphantly carrying the treasure he had struggled so hard to discover. He gracefully gestured, sharing his treasures with the villagers in delight. He gradually realized, the real treasure is the friends we make along the way. The giant and the villagers assembled, their voices rising in joyful song beneath the radiant sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of warm colors, mirroring the warmth of newfound friendship. Gentle music intertwines with contented sighs, creating a symphony of peace and unity. And so, the friendly giant learned that the greatest treasure is friendship.